What's up everybody, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to add BeraChain into your MetaMask wallet. BeraChain just launched, you can already interact with some dApps or mint NFTs and etc. But before I show you how to do that, just have to say something. I'm not a financial advisor, this is not a financial advice, this video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your research before investing into anything. So if we go to their docs website, this is actually docs.berachain.com. And right here, this is what we need to add BeraChain MainNet into MetaMask. Also supported wallets based on their website: MetaMask, Rabby, Coinbase Wallet, Brave Wallet, and Frame. I'm sure they'll be adding more, but this is the list of wallets that's supported right now. First thing, what we need to do, we need to copy all this information and paste into MetaMask. So this is one of the ways, and I'll show you 3 different ways how to do that. So to do that, just open up your MetaMask. Right here in the drop down menu, add custom network, and this information just add here and then save. It's gonna add BeraChain to your MetaMask wallet. Then you can just press this button, MetaMask is gonna appear, and right here just press on approve and then next, and that's it. It's gonna add automatically. And the third way, if we go to BeraScan.com, this is their scan site. We scroll down and right here at the bottom left you see add BeraChain. Just press on it, and then again MetaMask is gonna pop up. Just press on approve, and that's it. Now we open up MetaMask and you can see BeraChain MainNet is added and Bera token also added as default, because this is what you're gonna use to pay for gas. And this is pretty much it. All the links from this video I'm gonna leave in the description below, and also I'm gonna add all the info, RPC and everything else in the description below as well. Good luck to everybody and thanks for watching.